Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about flying stories. Let's first begin with studying the new vocabulary. The first one is aviation. Repeat after me, students. Aviation. Aviation. It means the flying in aircraft. Aviation means the flying in an aircraft. Let's use it in an example. The aviation of a plane is very interesting, but it is, of course, dangerous. The aviation of a place is very interesting, but dangerous. Let's go back to the vocabulary again. The second one is co- coincide with. Coincide with. Repeat after me. Coincide with. Coincide with. What does it mean? Coincide with. It means happen at the same time. It happened or happens at the same time. Let's use it in an example. Alice's work in this company coincide with its anniversary celebration. Alice's work in this company coincide with its anniversary celebration. Let's go back to the vocabulary again. The third word is exemplary. Repeat after me. Exemplary. Exemplary. What does it mean? Of course, it means excellent. Exemplary means excellent. Let's use it in an example. His work is an exemplary one. I like it. His work is an exemplary or an excellent one. I like it. The third word is gliding. Repeat after me, students. Gliding. Gliding. What does it mean, students? Yes, it means the sport of flying in a light, engineless aircraft. The sport of flying in a light, engineless aircraft. Let's use it in an example. I would like to practice gliding. It seems interesting. I would like to practice gliding. It seems interesting. Good. Let's go back to the vocabulary. Next word is instructor. Repeat after me. Instructor. Instructor. What does it mean? Yes, a person who teaches something or a teacher. An instructor is a teacher or a person who teaches something. Ali is very weak in English. He must bring an instructor to teach him. That's correct. And the last word is intensely. Repeat after me. Intensely. 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 What does it mean? It means strongly. It means strongly. Let's use it in a sentence. I intensely want to be one of the famous writers in the world. Let's repeat it again. I intensely want to be one of the famous writers in the world. That's correct. Now, let's use the vocabulary or the new vocabulary in some exercises. Fill in the spaces with a suitable word from the list below. We have exemplary, aviation, gliding, coincide with, instructor. Sentence number one. I like flying, so I'm going to join the space school. What kind of school? Yes, that's correct. is aviation. I like flying, so I'm going to join the aviation school. Number 2, for those who like space sports, there will be a competition next week. Yes, is there? Good. Gliding. For those who like gliding sport, there will be a competition next week. Third sentence, I want you to write an essay which is without mistakes. Yes, good. Exemplary. I want you to write an exemplary essay which is without mistakes. Good. Number 4, if you want some more information, you need to ask the space of the subject. Yes, the instructor, that's correct. If you want some more information, you need to ask the instructor of the subject. Now, students, you have to read the text and answer the following questions. You have 5 minutes to write the text, to read the text. Now, question number 1, why is Munira Brockie an unusual woman? Why is Munira Brockie unusual woman? Yes, there, good, because she has become Kuwait's first female pilot and one of the world's youngest captains. That's correct, excellent. Question number 2, what did Munira's father do when she told him that she wanted to be a pilot? What did Munira's father do when she told him that she wanted to be a pilot? Yes, that's correct. Like most of the fathers, he took her seriously and arranged for Munira to go to the best gliding school in the region. Yes, he encouraged her and he helped her too. Number 3, what did she do to achieve her dream of becoming a pilot? What did she do to achieve her dream of becoming a pilot? That's correct. She had to work intensely and forget her private life. She studied flight physics, learned how to use aviation computers, and improved her English. Excellent. She worked very hard, actually. Question number 4. How did she feel during her first flight? Yes, how did she feel during her first flight? Yes, she felt her heart was in her mouth, especially when she took off. She was frightened, of course. This was her first flight. That's all for today. Thank you for listening, students.